Hey folks, today we're back on the bench with the Sansui G-5500 and these little dual diode packs. So this is the one that is burned out that was causing all of our troubles. And these are the Toshiba 5151s that we were talking about before in the last video. So you can see they're not identical. The original SS3-8807, and the one that's still up in here is a SS3R-8828. And these two, this is a matched pair here. This one is a 5151, and this one, I don't know if you can actually read that there, is a 5151R. Now, what that means is that the diodes are in the opposite direction. So I can show you what this looks like here. So we'll start with the one that we know is bad. Let's see here. Okay, we got nothing. And we got nothing. Let's see here. Try it the other way. Here we got nothing. And here we've got our 0.5 volts that we would expect. So as you recall, this one is half bad. This side is dead. So the one that is a replacement for it, the 5151, we should see both of these diodes should act as diodes. Yep, got our about half a volt there and half a volt there. And then if you look at the reversed one, you'll see that we have nothing in this direction. But if we swap polarity, now you'll get your half a volt there and half a volt here. So this is, the two sides to get you your positive and negative DC voltage. So for the time being, we're going to set the bad one and the reversed one aside, and we are going to go ahead and fit this guy in. You can see here that this, let me show you on the other one, is a nearly perfect match here for the size. It is very, very close. It's come together, may have to squeeze it a little bit or something like that to make up for a little bit. Might have to clean some of the solder off of the end pins here. But other than being a little wider, it shouldn't be any big deal. And if you look at the positioning of where the little ceramic caps here are and things like that, I don't think it'll be a problem at all. I think this will actually drop right in. So without further ado, let's take out the our abomination here. Can't tell if the pins are a little bit bigger than the holes or if I've just got some loose solder in there. Thinking the pins are just a scooch bigger than the holes. Right. Yep, I think we might need to find a way to shave those down just a little bit. All right, so you should be able to see here now that we have our two diodes, and then these are the outside of the casing. So we are in good shape. Now we just need to solder the whole thing on. Actually, before we do this, I just want to do one more quick sanity check here. And we shall plug it back in. And let's see if she turns on. All right. That is indeed a good start. All right, and let's see what we've got for audio. That's on Phono. All right, we have both channels working without my crazy abomination in there. So that makes me pretty happy. So I think we're going to put the case back on. In case you're worried about that, it's still hooked up to the dim bulb tester. Should probably take that out of the loop here and do some testing without it, make sure it can actually push. So let's do that. Let's get our tester out of the circuit here. And now let's push a little bit of power. would say that is functioning as intended. All right, I think that will do for today. This one will be up for sale here soon, so check down in the description below for the link to where you can pick this one up. And yeah, I think that will do for today. Thank you as always for watching, and we will see you in the next one.